Ordinal numbers tell the order of things. So from 1 to 19, they are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th. Take note of the TH at the end of some of those numbers. The words for the tens categories, plural, Y, ending change to IES. Y ending change to 10th. 20th, 30th, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th. Remaining ordinals, attach one of the first 9 ordinals to the corresponding cardinal number with a hyphen. So 21st, notice the hyphen between 20 and first. 21st, 35th, 47th, 58th, 69th, 74th. Other ordinals. For other ordinals, use AND as shown below. 336, 2379th, 366,218th. Ordinal numbers are adjectives that precede nouns. The first day, the 100th time, the 22nd verse, the 7th piece. Ordinal numbers can be used as pronouns. He is the third in line. I am the second child in my family. Fractions. Ordinals are used to express the denominator and cardinals the numerator. 1/7, 1/8, 3/4. If the numerator is greater than 1, the suffix s is put at the end of the ordinal number. 4/5. Exceptions. Half. And so you would say 1/2 or a half. 1/4 or a fourth. Practice exercise. Write the following numbers as shown in the example. Example, 22nd, 22nd, 1,
44th, 2, 33rd, 3, 215th, 4, 109th, 5, 170th, 6, 456th, 7, 81st, 8, 200th, 9, 2.5, or 2.5, 10, 6 and 7/8, 11, 4/7, 12, 9/10.
Useful expressions: double, 2 times or twice. Triple, 3 times. Half dozen, 6. Dozen, 12. Verb to be. Present tense. Singular. I am. You are. He, she, it is. Plural. We are. You are. They are. Past tense. Singular. I was. You were. He, she, it was. Plural. We were. You were. They were. Present participle continuous being. I am being. You are being. He, she, it is being. We are being. You are being. They are being.